YouTube, what's going on with y'all? It's your boy Jay. We back at you with another banger. Yes sir. I hope y'all enjoyed the last, look at Ty over there, cool ass. But I hope y'all enjoyed the last video. Yeah, this video we about to go to the shop. I'm excited as hell, you can tell. But we about to go to the shop, get some exhaust work on this baby right here. Yes sir. It's already at the shop though, so I can't show you the box, but the exhaust is already there. It couldn't fit in the trunk. The trunk is too small. Let me show y'all real quick. But as you can see, trunk too small. Put everything back in there. But that red bar back there, that was the issue right there. When you put the seats down, it just doesn't go down. So it doesn't go down with the seat. And I don't have a drill right now to take it out. So we brought it to the shop already in the other car and stuff. So right now we about to head over to the shop and get this thing put on. See you there.
I might pull up with your boo. They hit a 5-star restaurant, order man, hustle too. No matter how thick the bitch is, I won't put it before my loot. I'm fresh as fuck, fresh off high speed chase like polo pool. You will never catch me telling another nigga what I won't do.
Alright, so we're at the shop right now. Just got here, taking out the pipes and everything. I threw Aldane over there getting ready to disassemble the exhaust on the car already. Can't wait, man. Stay tuned. Yeah. So that's about to be the start of it. Yeah, the mount patch right there. I see that. Be careful, it's still hot. I told you. Here, you look. Oh, okay. What you think about that? Man, I'll drive that right now. No lie. Alright y'all, so I'm over here arguing with Ty. He was saying that the new muffler right there that came on the new exhaust was a big muffler, right? But I'm saying, trust me, just wait until we take off the muffler that was on the car.
Oh, we got already.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. It has it. We did. Anywho, wait until we take it off. Now look at the size difference and tell me I was wrong. That's a big difference. Look at this big muffler compared to the new one.
I mean,
what you gotta say for yourself?
I mean,
Flip the camera.
nah.
Flip.
Nah.
That's what I'm saying. You see the big difference now.
It's crazy. Hold it. Give it to me when I ask you for it.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
That's gay. If you ask me, that's gay.
Flame torch or no, guys? Let me know in the comments.
What do you think, guys? Flame torch
Flame
it?
torch or no? Aldane over here saying he don't think it will look good. I don't know. I like the flame torch look. I think it'll look good with the blue, so could always come back and do it in the future though. So already nice. My bad. Let me get out of here. Yeah, so guys, this is a AFE. It is a catback catback exhaust from AFE Power. It's already about halfway done. Hey, be careful with that.
But the car or the muffler?
Both.
Okay.
Yeah. So you know, I don't want it to look like that one, or is this just gonna happen over time? It will. See, this is why you need a flame torch it, right?
No.
Ooh, then you dropped it.
I dropped it.
Drop the soap.
Pause.
Maybe 8 or even 9. I don't know.
What is that?
Yep. Where your gloves at? Where your gloves at?
My what?
Your gloves.
You know who gloves are for?
Alright, so people, we basically done with the exhaust now. We just got to put on the tips and put on the exhaust tips and then the
Valve control and tighten up the bolts, right, Alvin? Okay. Put on one exhaust tip so far, and based on what I see so far, it do stick out some. Definitely, but it do stick out some. Personally, I like the look of it. What do you think about it? I mean, I like it. But let me know down in the comments
it
below.
would look more it would look best if it's blue torch.
Of course you go think. Of course you go think that. But what if you put it all the way to the back? They won't be the same. Yeah. No, I mean like if you push it all the way until it can't go in no more, they'll stick out the same. You know what I'm saying?
That's it more than this.
So how come? How come?
I gotta cut the pipe. I can make him even. However you want him. If you want him, I can make him like this if you want.
I don't know. I like this. I like how it is right here.
You don't want these things to be straight on there, right? You got the wrong guy.
What you think?
Hair, man.
What?
When the hair it. Personally, I like the look of it being out a little more than the stock ones, though.
Alright, go back up in that area, you know.
That fell off. I don't know.
Why are you touching stuff, man?
It fell on the ground. What do you mean?
So leave it on the ground.
Okay. Wow. Look at it. Stay nice. Tip stand out. But we about to go give it a nice little pull and ammo first down the road. Right?
that shit out. That shit be crumpling, yeah. Yes, sir. All right, so we just done. We just finished installing the exhaust, the new exhaust on it. Shit sounds good as hell. God damn, shit sounds good. Yeah, it does. Alright guys, so he's spooling up back. Try to hear the shit.
That is it right there. How it sound?
Sounds good. Sounds fucking good, yo. Just sounds good.
It took a while. Like, I was literally flooring it.
Yeah.
And it took me about maybe to pull that black truck down there for me to fill the tires.
Damn.
It's right there.
It's the fucking coating spraying.
Might have to put it to the side. Yeah, there it is. You want to touch your eye, dude?
Yeah, buddy.
You know?
Why not? How much better?
Way better. It's way deeper. Yeah. But the only thing is, the resonator on it do swallow some of the sound. Yeah. Nah, custom 2 don't got no pops on it. Just straight end mode. Always getting scared, man. God.
Nice though.
Yes, sir. Oh my God. Put my GPS on. Oh, that's him right there. Let me know what I should do next, guys. She thinking downpipe, then tune? That's what I'm thinking at least. What do you think I should do, Tom?
Yo, I say go with the downpipe.
The downpipes?
Yeah, I say go with the fucking downpipe.
That's what I'm saying.
Yeah.
'Cause you gotta get the car ready for the tune. You can't just tune it
Yeah.
and it's not ready, you know? Go downpipe, then tune. I don't know what tune I'm gonna get yet, but that's a problem for the future, I suppose. But right now, I'm loving this exhaust. This thing is, it's crazy. And then you can just hear the bass in it. I know the sound quality don't really give it. Alright guys, it's the next day, we out here. Me and Ty just came back from the car wash down the road. Just drove to the bank. Need to make a little deposit, you know, money man out here. But yeah, we just came back from the car wash. We'll show you all the car. You know, we can't be driving around with nothing dirty out here. So check out the wheels though. The wheels look good. My God. Wheels. Let me show you all the brand new exhaust tips, the whole exhaust system. Served from AFE Power, especially made. AFE Power, especially made, you know. This is a Takeda catback exhaust from AFE Power, the one and only. There. They're looking nice, especially after that wash. But yeah, we basically gonna give it the first real drive, make y'all hear it. Because from when I drove it from the mechanic shop to home yesterday, I'm telling you, it's something crazy. All right, guys, before we head out, I'm gonna let y'all hear a little grumble, a little mumble, a little idle. You feel me? Give it a couple revs, not too much. Look where we at right now. We at Chase Bank. We ain't trying to get the cops called on us or anything. So let me give y'all a little rev real quick. So we back in the car right now. Man, I'm telling you, I'm in love with this exhaust right now. But yeah, just to let y'all know, I did order the downpipes. After I got the downpipes installed, that next video, not next video, but future video, I'm planning on getting a tune, feel me? I'm gonna work on the cold air intake, maybe switch out the intercooler and all of that. But for right now, just waiting on the downpipe, you feel me? But yeah, we about to head out of here. Buckle up, safety first, you feel me? There you go. All the windows down, front, back, and of course the sunroof. Can't forget about that. Yes, sir. We about to head out. Make y'all boys hear this new exhaust. Let go. My favorite part, or one of my favorite parts, it's hard to pick a favorite with this, is when you pull off and you hear that growl. Listen to this. And then you come to a stop. Oh my, you hear that grumble? Whew. God. Put your seatbelt on, Ty. Put your shit on.
I'm a real man, bro. I don't put seatbelts on, bro.
Yeah, alright. It's all fun and games until you in the wrong car, not my car. Because you know I got the wheel. I got the skills. But it's all fun and games until you get in an accident and your head sticking out the windshield, right? Right?
I'm gonna be like it.
Exactly. So, but you know. Nah, but we just waiting on this big ass pilot to leave. There you go. Let it push out. Alright, give y'all a little red lamp homemade. Fuck it, let's go. Let me know down in the comments below what y'all thinking though so far. Me personally, you already know how I feel about it. I'm in love with it. Nice little G37 just passed by and looked nice. I'm telling you, that's my next car right there. I want that manual. The amount of things you can do with that car, it's crazy. It's crazy. Like that. And of course, my G82 M4, of course. I like the M5s and shit, but I don't know about that. Ain't that right?
Bruh, the M5 is the best out of all.
God, I don't know about that.
I'm telling you.
It's the mods that make it. That's what it is. That's the mods.
I'm telling you, bro, with the M Performance exhaust, that shit's a beast.
Yeah, performance exhaust, huh? I don't know about that. Maybe you could beat the M4. Maybe.
It's not no maybe, yo. It's
Maybe. And that's a big maybe. Find out. Nice little tunnel. That's also another one of my favorite parts about the TikToks. Just louder pops. Like it did that with stock. It did that with the stock. But this one is louder pops, especially when you get that one big pop. And what I realized with this exhaust is since the pipes is bigger than the stock one, it's like you gotta build up the RPM more to hear the big boy pops, you know? So like if you're around like 3,000 RPM type stuff, you ain't gonna really hear the big boy pops. You gotta get it to around like the 4.5, maybe 5,000 RPM for you to hear it. Alright y'all, so we just got back. End of the video. See a baby over here, nice and clean, spotless, looking nice and sexy over there. Oh my god. Never mind the exhaust. I ain't even gonna get into that. I love it.
You saying, oh my god, bro? You sound like cornball.
Man, get your ass out of here. Anyways, if y'all liked the video, if y'all enjoyed the video, make sure you like it, comment, and of course subscribe. But yeah, tell me what y'all think about the exhaust. Remember, remember downpipe next and all of that. And yeah, we out. Peace.